Hey guys, welcome back to Marty B's YouTube channel. Today we're looking to try to fix a issue I've got with this tractor. It's a Kubota L2000. It's what they call a gray market tractor. It's from China and not supported in the United States as far as Kubota is concerned. You can get some parts for it by cross-referencing. I think it's a 235 B or an L235, I think. I'll let you know for sure. Anyhow, the problem I have with it is with the lift, and I posted a video which I'll put in here in the links below, and also I'll put it in the end screen showing what it does. Basically, it lifts up real fast, it lets down real fast. And anyway, I posted a video on the issue I was having, and I did get a response back that I needed to check the screens in the hydraulics to see if they had any metal in them or if they were stopped up or whatnot. So today that's what we're going to be doing. You'll be going through that with me, and you'll be learning as I learn. So thank you. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm going to have to take these bolts right there out of the seat. We'll remove the seat. So just hang out right here and great. Go. One side down, one to go. Yay, we got the seat off. Yay. Okay, let's see, number 14, it is. Alright, so let's remove this and see what this looks like. I wonder if the O-rings or something's bad. Take it over here. Take it over here. Hey, Yui. Okay, now I'm going to put this thing back together. There, it feels like it went in right. Okay, I'm not 100% sure what is going on here. That was hung up, so I don't remember seeing the O-ring for that. Yeah, there it is. Okay, good. I wonder what kept that together. Okay, so there's the O-ring. Put it back together and see if this does anything for it. I don't know if it will or not. Okay, so that's too much right there. Okay, that seemed like it started good. Let's put this back down here. That's it. That's it. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens. Hopefully it works right. Clutch, fuel on. All right, Bonnie, you'll start. I think it's going to need a little juice, Bonnie. It's going to need a little help. That's all right. I got it. Not like that. I give it ground or not, Bonnie. Hey guys, this is Marty B. Back here with this tractor again. I went and drove it around some, used it a little bit. Not really used much with 3-point hitch. Fixed the steering on it and drove it around. But anyway, 3-point hitch, what I found wrong with it, don't know if anything's really wrong, but inside here, I went and took that apart and I'd watched some videos on it to see how it's supposed to look. Basically what I found out is there was like a stuck piston in it. I went and took it apart, put it back together, and it seems to work, so we'll see. It hasn't really fixed the problem I had with it, but I don't really know if that was a problem or not. I think it's the way it was designed to be used, so I don't know. We'll just keep using it and see what happens. Got a new tractor on order to replace this one, so don't know yet if I'm going to sell it or if I'm going to keep it. I ain't decided yet. I don't have that much in it. Good straight tractor, so I don't know. I ain't decided. But anyway, I've got a RK37 on order, so hopefully I'll have it before long, and you'll see it being used. So thank you.